if something grows too well, too fast, there is always a risk that this wood is not really a hardwood and probably on a softer side. And this is what has happened today at the farm. Yesterday we had a really strong wind that probably happened last night. So right now this a mesquite tree, it's a Prosopis alba seedling tree. It's 5 years old, 5.5 years old now. So it was my largest seedling of Prosopis alba. I need to basically go down up to here and remove all these branches and regrow this tree again. Okay, I cut the trunk right under the split accurate. So this is the size of the trunk. Maybe 4 inches, a little bit, maybe more than 4 inches, maybe 5 inches in diameter. But it's not just a soft wood, not mature soft wood growing fast. I think this tree also has some kind of pathology going on the inside, because I see this black spot and another blackish area over here. So this tree probably has some disease problem, but we'll see how it goes. So if it will sprout back, or I might need to graft it. I still will try to pull out as much life as I can from this particular seedling of Prosopis alba.